Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see how to create a drop-down list in MS Excel. In this workbook I have two sheets, file status and employee name. In this file status sheet we are going to create drop-down list, and then in this employee name sheet I have list of employee name. So we are going to use this name list to create a drop-down list. So let's see. So in this employee name column I am going to create a drop-down list. For that, go to data tab. Here in this data tab, here we can see one button, data validation button. Click this button. So here we can see setting, input message, error alert. Here in the settings tab, instead of any value we are going to select list. In this list we are going to give all our employee name list. For that, select source and then go to employee name, select all the name. Again click this arrow and then give OK. So here we can see now we can get all the name in this drop down list. I'm going to copy this cell and paste up to 15 cells, so that we will get the drop down list all the cells. So on the C column I am going to create again one drop down list by using the status YTS VBUN comp status. Again go to the data tab, data validation button. Here we need to select list. So in the source area I am going to type manually these three status. I am not going to select all these three value because it's just a simple three values, so I am just going to type manually YTS comma vib comma comp and then give OK. So here we can see all these three values we get it. I am going to copy and paste up to the 15 cells. So now I am going to select the name Abdul, file name 1234A, status I am going to give comp, and then third row I am going to select the next name, file name 1234B, status I am going to select vib, and then fourth row I am going to select Anil Kumar 1234C, the file name, status going to be, now I am going to give YTS. So this is how we should create drop-down list in MS Excel. If we type this name by manually, it will take huge time. To avoid that, we can go with this drop-down list. It will save huge amount of time for us. So thank you for watching.